first, I want you to stop focusing on what you don't want. So this is one of my favorite things about the brain. The brain, your brain, my brain, will always give us what we want or what it thinks we want. But the brain doesn't process negatives. So if you think to yourself, so if I were to say to you, don't think of a purple banana with sparkles, very first thing you're going to think of is a purple banana with sparkles, right? Because the brain it disregards the no and goes right to purple banana with sparkles. It happens that way with everything. So if you're thinking, I don't want to work for a place that requires me to work long hours, 12 days a week. Well, then your brain's going to go long hours, 12 days a week, crazy schedule, on it. We're going to find that. If you don't want to work for a family-owned business, but want to work for a business that maybe is run by a board, no more family-owned businesses. That's all you're going to see next. Your brain is going to be family-owned business, on it. Whatever you say, I don't want, the brain goes after. That's exactly what you're going to find. So I want you to stop doing that. And I want you to start focusing on what you do want. This is the key to getting clear, is to really, first of all, know what it is you want and put that in the affirmative, put it in a positive framing. So instead of no long hours, well, how many hours do you want to work? Well, I want to work 40 to 60 hours a week, and I want flex time, and I want to have a company that respects my time with my family. Great. I don't want to work for a company that's slow to make decisions. No, I want to work for a company that's strategic and innovative and takes quick action. Focus on the things you do want and make a list of those things. You want good compensation. You want meaningful work you feel proud of. You want to be excited about what you do. Make a list of all those things. Maybe you want to work for a company that's an industry disruptor or is known for its innovation. That would be huge right now, especially as we move forward through and out the other side of this pandemic. Companies need to be innovative. They need to be disruptive to succeed and to survive. Maybe you want to work for a company whose executive leadership appreciates and rewards you for your contributions, where there's mutual trust and respect within the culture. Maybe you're someone who wants to work for an organization that values diversity and inclusion, not just in demographics, but in ways of thinking. So make a list of all the things you want. Get clear about what you want so that your brain knows how to go get that.